So, today on Nature Planet, we're going to be looking for a wild buster. He can only be found inside crates or under desks in offices. Seems we spotted one. Come on! Wild buster, follow me! We have a lot to learn about you. A lot to learn. Okay, I'm just see if busters and remove doors. Don't need anything getting in the way though, that's mean. Okay. Let's come on! Let's come on! Oh, hello there, Buster. Nice job with the man over. Hey, come on. We're gonna test a different angle now. Bussy, come on! No door can hold Buster back. He'll just come right through. If you can open the door farther. Let's come on! Come on, you can hit. Good boy! Not faked. This is 100% real footage. Yeah! As you can see, the Buster loves to go upstairs. What does it like to do next? Let's jump on my bed. Aha. I have spotted you, wild Buster. Eat! Yeah, he loves to eat. And that concludes today's documentation of Nature Planet with the Buster. Don't worry, there's much more to learn about him that you can look up at our alternate channel. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, Nature Planet's best channel on the TV ever. We just wasted a ton of your time and we're not even on the TV. The end.